So in today's video, I'm going to show you what you need to do if you want to clean your Apple Watch Ultra strap. So the first thing that you have to do is take it off. So press this button here and then slide the strap out like so. And then you just have to do the same on the other side. So press that very small button and then slide the strap out. So now you've got the strap. You can see mine is looking a little bit dirty. I tend to wash or clean my watch strap roughly every 2 weeks. So I'm going to show you the process that I do in today's video. So first what you need is you need some washing up powder. So the same powder that you use to wash your clothes. So take that, put it in a small plate. Take a small glass of water, and you're going to need a regular manual toothbrush. And with that toothbrush, what you're going to do is just wet it slightly with the water, dip it into the washing powder, and then you're going to scrub that into the watch strap. So let me show you how to do that. In fact, I'm going to speed this video up a little bit. So just work that powder all the way into as much of the watch strap as you can. The washing powder helps to break away any oils or sweat particles which are embedded into the watch strap. And then what you're going to do is soak the watch strap into some warm water. I tend to leave it soaking for about 10 minutes, so we just leave that to soak in. So once we allow that to soak in, we move on to the next step of cleaning this watch strap. So I'm going to rinse off all that soap, and what we're going to do is place this watch strap into a sock. Now I actually use 2 socks for this, so I place it into the first sock like so. And then I place this sock inside a second sock, just to give an additional layer of protection. Now what we're going to do is put this sock into the washing machine. I don't tend to wash it on its own. I usually wash it with other clothes. So these are the tablets I use for washing clothes. Then we put some more clothes into the washing machine, and we let it run for about an hour or 2, depends on the cycle that you normally use, but that should be enough time. And I'm just taking the watch strap out now, so it's all done. It's still a bit damp, so I left it out to dry for about 2 hours, and now it's fully dry. And we just slide it back on to the actual Apple Watch. And what I normally do once it's done is I tend to just spray it with an oil-based aftershave or just some regular aftershave. So that's what I do just to help it smell nice. But it already does smell nice with the soaps that we've used, but that's just something else I do additionally. So that's how I clean my Apple Watch strap. If this is useful, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you have any questions, let me know, and thank you for watching.